You ever hear of Nala Kuvera, Manigriva?
Yes.
What were they? They were devas. The sons of Kubera. The Kubera is Mr. Rockefeller, right? World Bank. Kubera is in charge of the Universal Bank. He's Big Daddy. He has all the money. And his sons got proud and puffed up. They thought they could drive around in no clothes. So Narada Muni blessed them, benediction cursed, that they became trees in Gokul, and Krishna and Damodar liberated them. So this is the general tendency, that birth in trees is due to nudity or impersonalism. You can't say much when you're a tree. Can't even bark at the moon. If a Mayavadi becomes a dog, then he can bark at the moon and still make protest at Krishna's energies. The moon is Krishna's devotee, Chandra. So if the Mayavadi dies and becomes a dog, he can still protest, because when he's a human being, he's protesting. He's speaking all nonsense from his mouth. He's barking all nonsense phrases and stupid talks. So that Mayavadi becomes a dog in his next life, that's too good. We shouldn't let him have that fortune. Because then he can go, oh, ho, how, how. And then he sees a devotee, hey, there's Braj Mohan. How, how. How, how. He can start barking Mayavadi slogans. Right? Rav, Rav. Ravan, Ravan. Ravan, Ravan, Ravan. Right? When they're barking, Ravan, 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 Ravan. So, Krishna doesn't give such a privilege. The Mayavadi can't even become a dog. He becomes a tree, because trees don't bark at the moon, and trees don't bark at devotees. The moon is a vibhuti of Krishna, Krishna's energies. So the Mayavadis are offenders to Krishna and his energies. Devotees are Krishna's energies, and the Mayavadis offend the devotees, and they offend the Lord. Krishna has no face, no arms, no hand, no nirgun, nirup, nirakar. This is what they say. But trees in Vrindavan are different. Brahma wanted to be born as a tree. Uddhav Mahashaya, the great Haridas, Goma Lata Oshadinam, he wanted to be born as a Goma Lata, or a medicinal plant, or a creeper climbing a tree.